Hey guys, it's Gene, aka LS Turbo Integ, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to change the oil on the Porsche Cayman GTS. Porsche does recommend having your oil changed every 10,000 miles. I've already changed the oil on this before, super easy to do, so I just wanted to show you guys how I change this. My oil change kit, you guys, I ordered from SCP Euro. I'll put a link in the description below to show you which one I use. It is the Liquid Moly SAE 0W40. Here's the oil filter, as well as the new plug and the new crush washer. So that's all that's needed. I will be cleaning out my air filter. I do have a BMC drop-in filter, so I'll have to take care of that. But what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna put this on jack stands, probably just the ramps actually. I do want to get the Porsche as level as possible, you guys. I don't want it to sit like this, so I will put the jack stands underneath the front just to make sure it's all leveled out. So let's go ahead and get started, fam.
This is not for play. I see you and you see me, you wanna ride the wave. I can spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race. I just bought some racks in. What's happening? It's just me and my guys, I don't got no rap friends. You ain't see the front but talking back ends. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. Oh my God, 3 cars, 5 jobs, slam door, off the law. Shorty said she got the wap, I just want the wop. Posting money on the snap, that'll get you robbed. Nike tech, shot wet, 3 dice bet, head crack flags. This is not a question, I don't ever practice, never act in, always act in. Back in 2010, we all sippin' activists. Now these beats are taking damage like my kidneys is. Already got the crib, I think it's time to flood my wrist. But gets along her neck, I just iced out my chick. It's not what you know, but what you do with it. I do it the best, don't care if you did it. Stayed down till I came up, now I'm 2 in it. Money in my sleep, I'm a true business. I need a Louis bag for all this cash or something. Can't fit it in my pockets, got me mad at some. Hit a 10 to a 20, now it's adding up. I'm not bragging, I'm just bagging up, yeah. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go.
All right guys, we're all done. Got the car back on the ground. Everything is all topped off. I think we're good to go. Let's go ahead and see the oil levels. It does show that the Porsche Cayman requires 6 quarts of oil. And that's what's great about FCP Euros kit, you guys. It comes complete with everything that you need. So I do have 6 quarts exactly for the liquid moly. So guys, if you guys haven't purchased one of these, I highly recommend it. This helps you reset all your maintenance services and also read your code, you guys. So if you guys have a check engine light, this is pretty much a diagnostic. All kinds of features you guys can use to figure out what's going on with your car, pulling codes, see what they are. But yep. And this is the Porsche version 3.0, so I specifically got this one for the Porsche. And what's really neat, guys, it comes in a case. There you go, guys. You guys can close it up, and it comes in a nice little case here. And I'll put this away until the next time I need it. All right, guys, that'll do it. Oil change is complete. Next service I'm gonna do, you guys, will be the spark plugs and the ignition coil packs. I'm gonna order those actually from APR. Maybe I might go through either Suncoast or Flat 6 Motorsports. I think you can also go through APR. I'll double check on that. But stay tuned for that video, guys. So as soon as I hit 40,000 miles, that's when I'll change out those plugs and those coil packs. And by next year, we'll get the tuning done on this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger and go with APR. But for now, you guys, oil change is complete and we are good to go for the next 10,000 miles. If you guys have any questions or comments, please post them below. I'll be sure to answer them for you. And if you guys like the content, please consider subscribing. Hit those post notifications. That way, every time I drop a video, you guys will be notified. All right, guys, until next time, have a blessed and wonderful day. Peace.